Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Center. Please join us in conversation.
Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. What an absolute pleasure it is to be here at the Automotive Training Center, beautiful Surrey, British Columbia, talking to folks that are really enjoying what they're doing. These folks get their hands into things, they fix things, just like the Automotive Training Center fixes things too. They understand that education must lead to a job and get right to work in our society and help the entire country grow. Those guys get it. On that note, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your journey before you even got to this school. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay, my name is Colin and I am actually a little bit older student. I started out actually living in Alberta, and I was doing carpentry. I did that for about 10 years.
Okay.
And then me and the whole family decided to move out to the coast here, and I was kind of bumming around. I didn't really have a whole lot of work prospects or anything like that, so I decided to go back to school. And I actually originally took electronics technician at the university at the Fraser Valley. And that worked out for me for a little while, but the industry kind of seemed a little bit dead end, not really a whole lot of room to move. So I decided to integrate that with automotive, and that's where I am now.
Colin, were cars always sort of in the back of your mind as you wanted to work on?
Yeah.
Talk to me about that.
Well, when I was in high school, I decided that I wanted to be a car mechanic, but the cards didn't fall that way, and I kind of fell into my father's footsteps and started into carpentry because it was quite simple. But that didn't last. So
here you are. Talk to me about why did you choose this school? What was it about this place?
Well, it was more just situational. I actually was going to apply at UFV, but their waiting list was until the following September, so I would have been waiting an entire year without any kind of employment or school. And then my next option was BCIT, and they were even worse. And then I actually just, instead of typing into the search engine, universities for mechanics, I just typed in automotive mechanic courses. And this was the first place that popped up.
Right. So then you made that first contact with them. Talk to me about the experience of being enrolled in the program.
Oh, it's excellent.
Yeah.
It's quite excellent. It's switch on and off from classroom days to shop days, and of course the shop days are way more active, a lot more fun to be had, and yeah, I've learned an incredible amount since I started here. I knew almost nothing about fixing cars, and now I can confidently fix a car.
And how long have you been in the program now? How many months?
7 months.
So 7 months in, and you knew nothing when you started, and now you're quite confident about it all.
Yeah.
That must be a direct reflection on your instructor's level of experience and stuff, and able to pass it on. Talk to me about the importance of that.
Well, absolutely. Our instructor is very, very knowledgeable. He's been in the automotive industry for 45 years or so, so his knowledge is just that outstanding compared to. And he's continuously learning like how we are. So when he learns something new about newer vehicles, he repeats it to us, and it really makes a big difference because a lot of vehicles these days are newer. There's more bells and whistles, more things to go wrong. And it's nice to have a good eye for troubleshooting, and that's what he keeps on trying to let us know, is to get your troubleshooting up. Use all the tools you have available to you, like all the programs that tell you exactly how to fix the part and everything. It's quite the experience.
Colin, what does the perfect job look like for you at the end of this?
Well, like I said, I want to specialize in electronics as far as vehicles go, and that's apparently pretty rare, somebody wanting to specialize in electronics. So I would like to, in the end, let's say about 5 years down the road, I would actually like to be working for myself, freelancing and just driving around from either shop to shop or customer to customer, and I fix their electrical problems.
Right. Well, that's a very niche market, right? And it's probably quite needed.
Yeah, well, like I said, the more things that they put in cars, the more things that can go wrong.
Exactly, yeah. Wow, Colin, what an incredible journey you've had so far. You seem like a guy that can sort of do anything. I mean, from carpentry to electronics, now to automotive, you're no stranger to putting your hands into things.
Absolutely not.
Right, an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcenter.com.